Hello everyone, this is the week 5 video journal. Just giving you an update on how it is going as far as my classroom intervention, working with my student, just to kind of give you a glimpse of what's going on. Just as a reminder, the intervention I'm using is the functional communication training. The behavior that I am looking to change with my student is that he tends to seek a lot of attention in class, all through communication, mostly negative. Sometimes he positively seeks attention, but he calls out, makes a lot of noise, outbursts. Mostly to get my attention, but a lot of times it is to get the attention of his peers. But he doesn't do it the right way. You know, he does not raise his hand, sit there patiently and wait. So that is what we're working on. So that's why I'm using functional communication training. To make sure that I have fidelity with my implementation, I have gone over this strategy with my classroom aide, let her know exactly what's going on and what we're going to be doing so she does not give in, and respond to any of his attempts to get our attention that's done inappropriately. So, we're all on the same page, approaching, him. I've also spoken to some of the students that sit around him that he tries to talk to a lot to let them know, hey, here's what we're doing. We're going to all try and help this student with his behavior by helping him learn the right way to get people's attention and not the wrong way, which he's very good at, unfortunately. I've seen a lot of changes in the behavior, unfortunately not a lot of positive. I had predicted a couple weeks ago when I made this video, the week 3 video, that when we put his behavior on extinction, that there was probably going to be an extinction burst, and that is currently what we are experiencing. His behavior has definitely increased, not only in how much it happens, but also in the severity when he does engage in the behavior. So we're definitely right in the middle of an extinction burst, but that's okay because it's not coming. I let my aide know that this is probably the way it was going to go down and that we're just going to ride it out. We are not going to give in. We will ignore the negative behavior and we will continue to reinforce the positive. And hopefully the extinction burst will end soon, and then we can get back to really the positive communication training that he needs. So that's it for this update. It's an interesting journey. I've really enjoyed learning the skills and then putting them into practice and seeing how it all plays out. So until next time, this is Shane McIntyre, and thank you very much.